Sure, here's a YouTube video script for a 2026 Suzuki Splash review, written in a natural, engaging style for voiceover or on-camera presentation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a first look at the all-new 2026 Suzuki Splash. And trust me, this compact car is making a surprising comeback with a whole new attitude. Now, if you remember the old Splash from the early 2010s, forget it. The 2026 version is completely reimagined. Suzuki's gone back to the drawing board and brought this little hatchback into the future, with smarter tech, cleaner lines, and an impressive set of features for its class. Starting off with the exterior, the new Splash keeps things compact, but there's a sharper, more aerodynamic silhouette now. The front grille is slimmer and more aggressive, with LED headlights that really stand out. It's still very much a city car, but now it looks way more premium than you'd expect from something in this segment. Under the hood, Suzuki's offering a 1.2-liter mild hybrid engine, super fuel efficient, with a big focus on urban driving. It's not going to win drag races, but it's smooth, zippy, and easy to handle in tight spaces. There's also talk of a fully electric version coming next year, so keep an eye out for that. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious. Suzuki's done a great job with the layout, lots of headroom, smart storage solutions, and materials that feel solid. The 7-inch touchscreen comes standard, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. You also get wireless charging and a digital driver display on higher trims, which is a nice touch for a car in this category. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Splash now includes Suzuki's latest safety suite, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, all the good stuff. It's a major step up from the older models. As for pricing, Suzuki's aiming to keep this car super affordable. Depending on your region, the base model should start around $15,000 to $17,000, making it a strong option for first-time buyers, students, or anyone looking for a no-nonsense city car with some personality. So who's the 2026 Splash for? If you need something compact, reliable, easy to park, and don't want to compromise on modern tech or comfort, this might just be the smart buy of the year. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new Splash. Would you drive one? And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews and first looks. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Want a more comedic, dramatic, or specs-heavy version? I can adjust the tone to fit your channel.